Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the dividend compounding math model for generating $5,000 in monthly dividend income. The main objective is to build a dividend portfolio that grows over time, reinvests its income, and eventually produces $5,000 every month. This means the portfolio must generate $60,000 in annual dividend income, because $5,000 multiplied by 12 months equals $60,000 per year. To demonstrate the model, we will begin with an initial investment of $200,000. We will assume an average dividend yield of 4%, annual growth of 6%, full reinvestment of all dividends, and no additional money added to the portfolio. These assumptions are used only to show how long-term compounding may work in a simplified example. Next, the future value of the portfolio is calculated by multiplying the present portfolio value by 1 plus the annual growth rate, raised to the number of years invested. In this model, the present value is $200,000, the assumed annual growth rate is 6%, and the number of years represents how long the portfolio remains invested. At the beginning, a $200,000 portfolio with a 4% dividend yield generates $8,000 in annual dividends. When divided by 12 months, this provides approximately $667 in monthly dividend income. After 5 years of 6% annual compounding, the portfolio may grow to approximately $268,241. At a 4% yield, this could produce around $10,730 annually, or about $894 per month. After 10 years, the projected portfolio value increases to approximately $359,159. The estimated annual dividend income becomes about $14,366, providing nearly $1,197 per month. As compounding continues, the growth becomes more noticeable. After 15 years, the portfolio may reach approximately $480,737. At a 4% yield, it could generate about $19,229 annually, or approximately $1,602 per month. After 20 years, the projected portfolio value rises to approximately $643,433. This could generate around $25,737 in annual dividends, equal to approximately $2,145 per month. Then, after 25 years, the portfolio may grow to approximately $861,072. The projected annual dividend income becomes around $34,443, which provides approximately $2,870 per month. After 30 years, the portfolio could reach approximately $1,152,138. At the assumed 4% yield, this portfolio may generate around $46,086 annually, or approximately $3,841 per month. Now, to calculate the final portfolio target, we divide the required annual income of $60,000 by the 4% dividend yield. This gives a required portfolio value of $1,500,000. Based on the assumptions used in this model, it may take approximately 33.5 years for the original $200,000 portfolio to compound into $1,500,000. At that point, a 4% dividend yield could generate $60,000 per year, or $5,000 per month. The key lesson is that dividend compounding requires patience, consistency, and sufficient time. Reinvested dividends purchase additional shares, those additional shares generate more dividends, and the process may continue to accelerate as the portfolio becomes larger. However, actual results may be different because stock prices, dividend payments, dividend growth rates, taxes, inflation, fees, and market conditions can change over time. A company may also reduce or suspend its dividend. Therefore, this model should be considered an educational illustration rather than a guaranteed investment outcome or personal financial advice. Overall, starting with a strong portfolio, reinvesting dividend income, maintaining diversification, and remaining invested for the long term can make compounding a powerful wealth-building tool. Time is the most important multiplier, and financial freedom is usually achieved through a long-term process rather than a quick result. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.